Got a request from my buddy Steve here, wanting to hear a song written by an old buddy of mine out of Toronto, Canada. A fellow named Ian Tyson put this song together. It was not a popular song, but I like it a lot. This one also goes out for the gentleman over by the jukebox who wanted to hear a Neil Young song. Because back a few years ago, Neil Young recorded this song. It's called Four Strong Winds. Four strong winds that blow along, the seven seas that run high. All those things that never change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I guess I'll head on out to Alberta. The weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I might go working for. Still, I wish you would change your mind if I asked you just one more time. But we've been through all that about 100 times before. Four strong winds that blow along, the seven seas that run high. All those things that never change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are still going good, you could meet me if I sent you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, not too much for you to do. And those old north winds sure blow chilly way out there. Four strong winds that blow along, and seven seas that run high. All these things that never change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. But our good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Ian Tyson wrote that song. Thanks.